Hey guys, so I noticed that the Z has been running a little rough lately, and I have changed the spark plugs, I've changed the coils, I've changed the oil, which made a huge difference. But this time I decided to do one more thing, and that's what we're going to tackle on this very short video. How to change the transmission fluid in a 1998 to 2002, maybe 2001, I don't remember, Honda Z PA1 Turbo. First off, you have to get this automatic transmission fluid ATF DW1. Very important, you get DW1. The original fluid that the car states it's supposed to have is no longer in circulation. It does say, not for use in all-wheel drive vehicles. I do have an all-wheel drive vehicle, but I think the front and rear differential are different. Maybe that's what this means. In the back, in between the seats, there is a panel. You move the panel off by moving the 4 screws. That thing comes right off. Again, this isn't by the engine cover. This is its own little thing. Here is the transmission fluid dipstick, which is great, easy to access. This is what the panel looks like. So you're going to pull up the carpet, pull up the padding, and this is going to be underneath it. Removing the transmission fluid drain plug is a 3/8 extension. Just put the ratchet on the end and twist this thing counterclockwise, and fluid goes everywhere. Speaking of fluid, I thought I'd drain the oil at first because this is how dark my transmission fluid is. You can see the one on the right is bad, the one on the left is good. Looks like Coca-Cola versus Big Red. So I filled this thing up. I don't know what the exact capacity is. I believe it's 2.5 quarts. I just put a little in there and drained it again and then filled it up. Thank God it has a dipstick. So first start. The problem I was having before was the idle was going low and the engine kept cutting off. And I know that's not always a transmission fluid, but as you can see, the color of the transmission fluid was terrible. Zooming in, you can see it's kind of idling around 900, 750, I don't know, but it's better than it usually is. So I drove this thing around the neighborhood, and eventually what I did was I took it to the auto parts store to dump out the transmission fluid. The thing didn't die on me. That's an issue that I've had before in the past. I said that in a previous video. But I ran a few errands with this and it worked out really good. So that's the end of this video. If you guys like it, hit subscribe and I'll see you next time.